Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Land. So today we're going to do some math. In math, we've been reviewing measurement. Last time we reviewed length and height. Today we're going to review weight and capacity. Okay, so here's my first word. Weight. Weight. Who remembers what weight is? Yes, right? How heavy something is or how light something is. You go to the doctor, they measure your weight, okay? How about this one? This one's a tricky one. Capacity. What do you think that means? Do you remember? That was a tricky one. So capacity is something, how much something can contain. How much can it hold? So I have two different containers, okay? And which one do you think is going to contain more, have greater capacity? The smaller one or the bigger one? Okay, well let's see. Let's start with the smaller one first. So I have these cubes and I'm gonna see how many cubes my smaller container is gonna be able to hold, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so 30 cubes, okay? All right, now, do you want to take a guess about how much the bigger one's gonna hold? Take a good, educated guess. Let's see, if this one holds 30, let's see, I'm gonna say maybe 55. All right, let's see, so this is already 30. So let's pour that in here, okay? All right, so I already have 30 cubes in here, so let's count on 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Oh, 65, wow. So I was a little off, but it definitely holds more, right? This one has the greater capacity because the bigger container is gonna hold more objects, okay? So let's see if I write it. What was my first one? 30, 3 and a 0. And my other one, let me write that again, is 65. Okay, so which number is greater? 30 or 65, which number is bigger? Yeah, 65. Do you remember we did this? We learned about that, about the alligator mouth, how it always goes to the bigger number, right? And we read this 30 is less than 65, or we could write this like this. 65 is greater than 30. Right? That's like third grade math. You guys are so smart. So, right, the bigger the object, right, usually it's gonna hold more, right? It's gonna have a greater capacity. All right, let's talk about weight. Do you remember this? Remember this scale that I showed you in the classroom? And that we said that we picked objects and if the scale went down, right, the object was heavier. So I realized that you probably don't have a scale like this at home. So maybe just pick things around your house, okay? And just put them in your hand, like for instance, a marker and a cube. I'm just feeling in my hands which one feels heavier and which one feels lighter. So to me, the cube feels lighter, the marker feels heavier. So let's put it in our scale. Let's see for sure. So in fact, look, you see how the scale on this side, it went down with the marker in it. So that side was heavier and the cube is lighter. okay? Pick things in your house and have fun, and just pick, maybe I said like 2 objects, put them in your hand, right? Think about what makes sense. Like for instance, I went into Jordan's playroom and I got a fire truck and this little toy, this little man. And I said, which one feels heavier? What do you think? Which one do you think is gonna be heavier? Which one do you think is gonna be lighter? Yes, the fire truck, right? Feels heavier, and the little toy man feels lighter. So draw it in your journal, right? Pick some objects. You can use the ones that I have. If you wanna use the fire truck and the toy and draw it in your journal, or the cube and the marker and draw it in your journal, and write a sentence about it, right? You can say, use your vocabulary words, right? When I measured the weight, the fire truck felt heavier. The toy felt lighter, okay? And then snap a picture and send it to me. And I said, you can pick things in your house too to do the experiment with capacity. I said, I just went to the kitchen and I grabbed some containers. So see what you can find in your house. Get some cups, right? And see if you can fill it with different things. If you want to fill it with cotton balls, you want to fill it with paper clips, crayons. So be creative and have fun with it. And I said, and then draw your picture in your journal. Maybe I said, write me a sentence. Circle the one, right? If I'm gonna draw my 2 containers, circle the one that has a greater capacity, the one that's gonna hold more. Put an X on the one that is gonna hold less, okay? I will also attach a page for you to do, okay? And as I said, you can draw the pictures in your journal. Take a picture and send it to me. If you have a printer, great, you can print it out. But most importantly, as I said, just have fun with it. Find things in your house and be creative, okay? All right, thanks boys and girls. I'm so happy that we're learning together in this way and I'm having a lot of fun. All right, boys and girls, until next time, see you soon.